Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
Lone in an excellent sports activities automobile, countless miles and unmarked hours ahead, the bonds of each day existence begin falling away. As you dance from canyon apexes to town on ramps to the arrow of a contemporary interstate, the liberty of pace and the clarity of a mind not censored however emptied make you yearn for it never to give up. Flyin Miata's contemporary MX-5 masterpiece, the RF Turbo, or Rufus, as the prototype bilaterally spent numerous hundred miles and is thought across the Flyin Miata save, is a rare element within the global of OEM-tuned automobiles. It's now not specific, it's just higher. That's an odd element to say and deserves a few explanations, so allow me to undertaking. A rather confined set of extra components takes Mazda's hot MX-5 RF hardtop to the max, starting with a turbocharger kit from BBR, to be had in both carb and federal specifications, that adds kind of 70 horsepower and 70 pounds-toes of torque to the Miata's stock rating of 155 horsepower and 148 pounds-to-foot. Respectable dyno figures for the kit are forthcoming. Next at the improved list is Flyin Miata's Degree 2 suspension kit, which includes Koni dampers, up-to-date springs, rear bump stops, and the front and rear anti-roll bars. The corporation's little massive brake package, 17 with the aid of 8-inch 949 Racing 6-hull wheels, rear diffuser, and its new Hush-O-Matic exhaust device round out the package deal. The Hush-O-Matic lets in you to challenge the wiper controls to open a valve within the exhaust root for freer glide and louder sound, though even at complete blast it received hassle the associates, a great deal. General fee is $11,000 plus setup if you don't want to get your hands grimy. The result is a vehicle that accelerates quicker, corners more difficult and extra precisely, and stops extra reliably than any manufacturing unit issue 4th generation Miata, all even as retaining the auto's innate balance, tossable demeanor, and linear energy transport. In spite of its lots larger performance envelope, the identical love letter to pure, simple pleasure stays. I picked up the auto in Lancaster, California, not far from Willow Springs Raceway, but my vacation spot became approximately 5 hours north by using Northwest, the annual Midas at Mazda Raceway occasion held at historical Laguna Seca. The course became a terrific one, with secondary roads taking me via Tehachapi, Bakersfield, Buttonwillow, Coalina, and Kingtown earlier than eventually arriving in Monterey. The 314-mile direction ballooned past 400 as I retraced the fine stretches, unable to get sufficient of Rufus exuberance. Simplest one minor incident marred the auto's in any other case wonderful overall performance, but it can be marked all the way.